We are now at Thornton Beach near Cape Tribulation. Not quite there yet, but almost. And it's just, wow, it just blows my mind. It's amazing and beautiful. And it feels like we're on a tropical island, even better than Cape Beach. Come, let's run! Let's run! Good boy! Go! Come here! Good boy! So a little bit bumpy on the way to Imogen Creek, which is going to be I think the furthest north that we're going to be able to access. It's been so bumpy that the cabinet doors in the kitchen have opened and half of the stuff has fallen out. Lucky we've got melamine plates. Good thinking, Mimi.
So this here is why you need a four-wheel drive to get anything past this area. Big creek crossing, and we're not going past that in the van. Sorry, puppy.
We even got rain in the rainforest. How cool is that? At last, the freaking skylight has finally arrived. Can you believe, after waiting for 2 weeks to try to deliver after hours, 15 minutes after the office at the caravan park had closed. So we had to go and pick it up this morning instead from the depot because they were hopeless. Crap job, TNT. But anyway, we finally got it. Here it is, new skylight. Ooh. Nothing very exciting because it's the same thing that we have now, except that it's not broken from smashing on the highway. So Pete's going to install it and finally we can close that chapter.